डिक्टेशन शुरू होता है अब। मोस्ट पीपल हैव अ जनरल आइडिया अबाउट व्हाट दे वांट फॉर देयर लिव्स द कैपेसिटी टू रिले दैट vision to others is the real challenge. This is something that sets apart a leader from the rest. And if you want success in your life, you need to become a focused leader. The main quality that all leaders share is that they have a clear and exciting vision for the future, as well as possess the ability to community communicate that vision. Only a leader can think about the future and plan for the future each day. Hence, it is ideal to mold your activities in a manner that helps you evolve as a successful personality. To begin the process, you must know to communicate your vision. Excellent leaders take some time to think and develop a clear picture of how their life will look in 1, 3, or 5 year increments. They have the ability to disseminate their idea of a successful life that others why in eventually others see the vision as belonging to them. You can also motivate a pupil to give their best by simply communicating your vision to others. Basically, it is the vision of the future possibilities that arouses emotions and encourages pupil, your team, or fellow colleagues to drive results. Always remember that the most powerful vision is always qualitative, aimed at and described in terms of values and mission. It should never be described in terms of money and numbers. Of course, money is important, but the commitment towards being the best in the business or any other task is for more exciting. Another key to leadership success is to keep your cool. A study examined the qualities that companies look for in promoting young managers towards senior executive positions, especially the position of chief executive officer. It concluded that there are two important qualities required for great success. The first is the ability to put together and function as part of a team in an organizational setting. All work is ultimately done by teams. The output of a manager is the output of the team. The ability to select team members, set objectives, delegate responsibility, and finally get the job done is central to success in management. The second leadership quality is the ability to function well under pressure, especially in crisis situation. Practically speaking, it is these critical moments when the actual character and quality of a leader is demonstrated. Everyone is watching you, observing and taking notes of your behavior. This why you should keep your cool and focus on what you want. Eventually, all blame blaming stuff would get neglected and you will evolve as a signing leader. Full stop.